Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to reset your Honda Accord screen. First, if your screen is frozen or unresponsive, a simple soft reset often works wonders. Locate your audio power button, usually a knob. Press and hold it down for approximately 10 seconds until the system reboots. This quick action can resolve many minor glitches, getting your display back to normal operation without losing any settings. It's a great first step for any screen trouble. If a soft reset doesn't fix the problem, a more thorough approach involves disconnecting the car battery. Pop your hood and locate the 12-volt battery. Carefully disconnect the negative terminal, usually marked with a minus sign. Leave it disconnected for at least 15 minutes. This completely drains the system's residual power, often clearing deeper software errors. Reconnect it securely, and your screen should hopefully be working perfectly. For persistent issues, or if you're selling your car, a factory reset might be necessary. Navigate to your Accord system settings on the screen. Look for an option like Factory Data Reset or Restore Factory Settings. Be aware that this will erase all your personalized settings, paired phones, and saved destinations. Confirm your choice, and the system will revert to its original factory state, often resolving complex software problems. Finally, always ensure your Honda Accord's infotainment software is up to date. Updates often include bug fixes. Also, sometimes a loose connection can cause screen issues, so a quick check of the wiring behind the display might be helpful if you're comfortable. If problems persist, consulting a certified Honda technician is always a good idea. And hey, while you're optimizing your life, make sure to check the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.